Hello everyone, my name is Mike and today I would like to do a review on the book to course system method, which states that you can make $94,000 while laying on the beach on Spain. But before I get into a review, if after watching this video you want to give it a try and try to see if it works for you, the book to course system, then go ahead and click on the first link in the description, because this way you will get a discounted price for this product. So let me actually show you some of the features, and I'm gonna play a video for you so it can give you more information on what is this about and see if it will be worthwhile for you, and then I will comment more things.
What I'm going to do is give you an overview of how the business model works and why this is so powerful right now. So first, I just want to show you that I'm really earning money with this system. So I'm going to show you the inside of my Kajabi account. As you can see, I've made $244 today. We're only 10 o'clock in the morning so far, but in total I've made $143,000 from this system. Now, if I go into the last, say, year, just so you know this isn't a screenshot, you can see that I've made $68,000, nearly $69,000 in the last 12 months. Now, I'm going to show you exactly how this works in this video, and then if you want to get the full training on it, there's a button below where you'll be able to access the full step-by-step training. So first, what we do is we go to Amazon. So it doesn't matter where you are in the world, you can use Amazon.com. I'm using Amazon.co.uk. And what we do is first is we go to the Kindle store, and then you want to type in non-fiction bestsellers. Non-fiction bestsellers. There we go. Now, the reason we're doing this is we want to find the books that are currently the most popular, because this means that people are buying these books and they're hungry for this knowledge. So then what we do is we scroll down and we find a book that we think would make a really good online course. Now, some of them, might not really be great. Some of them are kind of, although they say non-fiction, they might be more like a, fictional or something like that. So what we'll do is we'll scroll down, and if you've got any knowledge in these particular books, this is even better because you can add your own spin on it. So let's say this one, for example, Break Free from the Prison of Perfectionism. So this could make a really good online course. Now, what we would do is we'll download this book. We could get it on Kindle for free if you've got the membership, or you can just purchase it for, really cheap. And what we want to do is we're not copying here, is we're taking the key parts from this book and converting that into an online course. Now, the reason we're doing this is because people's attention spans are becoming shorter and shorter. So people are more hungry for video content rather than taking the time to read. So what we do is we take these key parts. In fact, this might not be a great one because it's only got one review. So I would go for one that's got loads of reviews. It's doing really well. So let's just have another look through. So what we got here, this would be a great one. So the Mental Toughness Handbook. So you could name your course. Like I said, we're not copying here. Do not copy any of the text, anything like that. We just want to take the key parts and put our own spin on it. Now, you could even send this book off to a script writer and have them write some modules for you for a course. Now, with this system, you don't even need to show your own face. You can simply have visuals, just like I'm doing now. You can have a voiceover with visuals on the screen. Then what we do is we use Kajabi to put all this course together. Now, building the actual online course is simple. The way we sell it is the secret. Now, when you get access to the full training, I'm going to show you how to create a webinar that's actually going to sell your course for you on autopilot 24/7. So that's like having a team of salespeople working around the clock for you, who never get tired, they never take a day off, and they never complain. So this really is, this is a brand new system that's guaranteed to make you some really good profit if you put the work in. I can't promise any earnings from this, but if you put the work in, I guarantee you will have some success. Now just click that button below and you can get started right away. See you in the members area.
So that's been the video, and I find that this... One second. I find that this system is very, very interesting, because there is a lot of courses out there that will teach you about Kindle publishing, but there is no course out there that will teach you how to convert Amazon book into courses. So I feel like it's something that could be very interesting. So if you decide to give it a try, why not? You could do and see if it will work for you or not. You won't know until you give it a try, but you can see that he has shown you proof that this actually works, and he's actually making money for it. So it's something very interesting. I guess the most interesting part will be like once that he has converted the books into courses, which will be interesting to see the process afterwards as well. Will be interesting to see how he's gonna get the traffic, which will be the most important thing to sell the courses. So if you guys decided to give it a go and find out that information, as I said, click on the first link in the description, and there you could get this from a discounted price. I hope that you find this valuable, and I will see you very, very soon, guys. So take care, have a great day and a great week, and I wish you all the best.